What advice do you have for aspiring future generations?
Bob Dylan once said, it's always good to know what went down before you, because when you know the past, you can create the future. For me it's very important, and this I always say to young people at schools, at universities, ask the questions. Try to find out why you are and why things are how they are now, and how it happened, and how did it come that so when your grandparents are still alive, ask them the questions, what happened in the past. We can learn from our ancestors, and we can positive. They gave us, even my SS grandfather gave a good heritage to me. He was a writer, he was a journalist, he was very well educated, he loved literature, and even that he was like me, he didn't like to work in an office, he was working in a coffee house. And so there are so many things. I hated him for a long time, but then I said, okay, I have also to say him thanks, because thanks to him I'm alive. But he gave me also a big responsibility, and this I see as my job here on earth, some kind of to do something for Tikkun Olam, to make the world somehow a better place. And that means to know about the mistakes and all the stupid things our ancestor did, to learn and to try to avoid it, and to do something positive. That means bring people together, and for me religion, nationality, language doesn't matter at all. This is Martin Buber. There he had the real big influence on me, this I-thou philosophy, that always, I don't know it in English, but in my words, that always the one vis-a-vis to whom you are talking and with whom you are in that moment, this is the very important, to be connected and to be open, and so to learn this kind and of Begegnisch, to meet people, and yeah, and just to make love and not war.